This thing's dull enough. We don't need to cut through the nails.
Oh, now he's putting down my saw, my expensive saw.
Well, the saw is shit. You gotta use 3 fingers.
That's so you don't cut any off.
The idiot proof it so much, it's an idiot.
Find a piece to go in there, right?
No. One side of that pellet's you're gonna throw it away.
Oh. Right? We're cutting it. Yeah, that's where I thought we were cutting it.
Just cut it right like that.
Oh, okay, 21 inches.
Yeah, 21 inches. Just
Okay, gotcha.
zip, just forward. A little off. Put an inch and a half off on the first one.
Oh yeah, that way.
You get it right on the corner where you want it.
Yeah.
I'm just going to tack it in here. Okay, we all get it right across.
Oh no, the middle's out about 1/8 of an inch. Just do your ends.
No, is the middle good now?
Now, yeah. We're just walking up the side.
Yeah. You don't want it too high because otherwise it just looks goofy. All you need is something that's going to shed water. It's never going to shed load. We're never going to shed slow.
No.
So,
yeah,
you put her on the outside. And in.
Yeah.
Good here. Mark it. Before we go, leave it there.
Yeah.
Just want to make sure that we're square. Perfect. Okay.
Okay, well I gotta cut this out, right?
Right.
So I gotta be on the other side of that line.
Right. Like you say, make sure that look at the front. You're looking at the saw blade too much.
Should we try this one and then
Yeah.
Perfect here. Just a little bit of a gap because of. Yeah, we can trim that off.
So just overhang a bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine.
As long as you got that level and square on that side.
Yeah, this side here, whoever cut this side didn't cut it really straight.
Yep.
You should make sure. No, we need this side. Yeah, right there. That's what we want right there. Screws on the other side?
No, you're good.
Where's that clamp?
Hang on a sec.
Watch the power line there, Keith. You might want to lift it over top.
Let me get something started here.
Yeah.
Nail the backside.
Yeah.
Let me get my square again. Oh, good.
I got my foot on it.
Beat this thing to death. Because we can't put, let's put a support up front here.
Yeah.
Give me a 2x4 and I'll mark it for you. There's a lot of banging and smashing going on.
I know.
What's wrong with that?
Not a damn thing.
Cut?
It's a 15-degree cut.
Yep. Okay.
I had to figure that out.
Oh. Get this wall on.
Yeah, see, I've only got one full pellet left, plus this double one.
No, if that's all you got, then we'll have to cut that double one, I guess.
Yeah.
We'll have to cut it with the recip saw so it doesn't. Let's chalk line it just slightly. We don't want anything foul.
Yeah, it's only thunder and lightning. It's all right.
Right there. Unless you want to start here first.
Let's start
Right there, yeah.
Let's do in the center first.
Yeah. Yeah, she's good the rest of them.
Good?
Yeah.
Whoever estimated didn't do a very good job. Okay.
We didn't do a very good job.
Okay, that pellet is exactly 48 inches that we need, so we just need one 48 by 21.
Well, here this one is 47 3/4.
Your measuring boards again. That's why they're supervisors, and that's why they're grunts.
Even in war, there's the same thing, eh?
You head out to the front line, I'll be back here backing you up.
Yeah. Is that it? So if we make another chocolate, oh no, that's not. It don't look like. Measure there.
You gotta take a measure in his hand. 21.
Okay, so if we cut along there again, 21. I cut along there again. You're a little confused.
You check your sugars and everything?
Yeah, no, I'll check the everything.
Did you get food?
Yeah, I had lunch.
Okay.
I had some soup and a sandwich. Oh, you dirty so-and-so.
Oh yeah, don't worry about that though.
Okay.
It's racked.
Want me to... It'll be long before you're hollering at me.
I started that this morning.
No, you didn't. You were pretty happy this morning.
Okay, hey, come on.
I haven't screwed you up yet. 1/8 of an inch yet. Come on.
I'm not talking. I'm not worried about
Oh,
here.
In a little bit.
Tap it in.
Oh, we have it. Perfect.
Okay.
Perfecto.
And you're still 1/8 of an inch out at the end there, or what?
Not really. Less.
No.
Less.
Okay, don't worry about that.
Yeah, we're good. We're good.
Okay, you still okay?
Still good here, yeah. How did that work out? What did we do right?
Measured stuff.
Well, the second row wasn't staggered, right? The second row was an even row, so it was well, 3 of them 48 inches.
Yeah.
Are you okay at that end and stuff too?
Perfecto. Okay, Keith, you're cutting these. Because I'm no good at it. I'll admit it. Sure, let's go back to you. I can't keep you guys.
Well, it's a better one than
Well, no, those two go together. I don't guarantee.
Cable will hold it the same line.
Got screw loose. Jeez, I can't wait till I get to go on holidays. Then go moose hunting.
That's perfect.
That's perfect. Well,
That's fine. There's nothing
yeah, I know it'll be all hidden.
Tell me how you did that.
I don't just had marks there, so I just cut where the marks were. And I cut for days.
Oh my God, that's funny.
Of course. Look at that. That's not where we're putting it, but we do. That's tomorrow's project. Take up 2 beams and I guess we should have put 2x4s in there, right?
Yeah, I should have filled them in. We can still do that. That's a job you can do in the morning while you're waiting for us.
Yeah.
Just back these screws out.
Yeah, put 2x4 in there. Yeah.
2x4 in there.